Hello and welcome. My name is Maksim Kharitonov and I am the founder and lead expert at the Human Rights, an international agency that prepares expert witness reports for asylum cases worldwide. We specialize in human rights-based risk assessment, covering all 5 grounds under the Refugee Convention, including political opinion, religion, ethnicity, membership of a particular social group, and nationality. Our reports are trusted by lawyers, courts, and immigration authorities in the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, and across Europe. Today I will focus on Vietnam and the types of risks that lead many of its citizens to seek asylum in the UK and the US. Vietnam is a one-party communist state with tight control over political expression, religion, and civil society. People who criticize the government, including journalists, bloggers, human rights activists, and land rights defenders, are routinely harassed, arrested, and sentenced to long prison terms under vague national security laws. Freedom of religion is heavily restricted, especially for unregistered groups. Independent Christian house churches, Buddhist organizations outside state control, and ethnic montagnards often face surveillance, intimidation, or forced renunciation of their faith. Ethnic minorities such as the Hmong and Khmer Krom experience systemic discrimination, restricted access to land and services, and police abuse. There have also been reports of forced sterilization and family separation among minority populations in rural areas. LGBT individuals face social stigma and are not protected by anti-discrimination laws. While same-sex relations are not criminalized, there are no legal rights or protections, and LGBT people often face violence and rejection from their families and communities. Returnees who previously sought asylum abroad may be subjected to interrogation, surveillance, or punishment, particularly if they are suspected of political dissent or involvement in religious movements. So how do we prepare expert witness reports? We start with a full review of the case materials, including personal statements, supporting documents, and any previous decisions. Then we move on to in-depth research using both international and local credible sources. We combine real-time data with our knowledge of legal systems, government practices, and the specific patterns of abuse in each region. Each report is written by a dedicated country expert and reviewed by our team of legal researchers and analysts to make sure everything is clear, accurate, and relevant to the case. The final report is prepared to meet the standards of the immigration system and courts in the country where the asylum claim is made, whether that's the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, or any country in Europe. We also use proper legal referencing, so every fact is backed by clear and trusted sources. If you're working on an asylum case right now and you want to strengthen it with solid expert evidence, just get in touch with us today. It's really easy. Just head to our website. The link is in the video description. You can also scan the QR code on your screen or email us directly at info@thehuman-rights.com. And when you reach out, you'll receive a sample report, the expert's CV, and a free consultation. We respond to all inquiries within 1 hour and deliver each report within 1 week. We also work at the minimum rate accepted under legal aid, so our services are accessible even for publicly funded cases. Our team is ready to prepare expert reports for countries across the globe. You can find the full list of regions we cover right there on our website. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to supporting your next asylum case with the clarity, credibility, and professionalism you or your clients deserve.